Good morning, my dear students. Today topics start some nucleophilic substitution reaction. Some nucleophilic substitution reaction. Some nucleophilic substitution reaction. Subnucleophilic substitution reaction. Some nucleophilic substitution reaction. First SN1, second SN2, and third synthesis of alkyl cyanide. Third reaction, synthesis of alkyl cyanide. Synthesis of alkyl cyanide. What is the alkyl cyanide? What is the structure of alkyl cyanide? Alkyl R, cyanide C triple bond N. Alkyl cyanide. Alkyl cyanide. Alkyl cyanide. IPC name of alkyl cyanide, cyanoalkane. 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 Sorry. Alkane nitrile. Alkane cyanide nitrile. Alkyl cyanide general name of RCN compounds alkyl cyanide or IPC name of alkyl cyanide alkane nitrile. Okay. Synthesis of alkyl cyanide. How to obtain of RCN alkyl cyanide alkane nitrile? When KCN react with alkyl halide RX, alkyl halide KCN potassium cyanide or when potassium cyanide react with alkyl halide it gives alkyl cyanide R KCN RX, R positive and X negative, halogen more N respectively alkyl groups. Potassium cyanide is a ionic compounds, then give to two ions plus partially positive potassium partially positive ions and Cn partially negative ions. Potassium KCN compounds are divided into two parts, potassium ion and cyanide ions. Cyanide ions behave as a nucleophilic substitution. Nucleophile cyanide attack on alkyl carbocation. Cyanide attack on carbocation, then relieve to halogen ions X negative and potassium KX, K positive and X negative out in reactant, and then give to product KX plus R positive and Cn negative RCN. These types of reaction, nucleophilic substitution reaction, NSR reaction. Attack of cyanide ion on carbocation, then relieve to leaving group of halogen ions. React with potassium and KX out of product form and RCN. Name of RCN alkyl cyanide. Alkyl cyanide. Okay. So example, CS3Cl react with potassium cyanide KCN. Potassium cyanide as a ionic compounds, then give to two ions K positive and Cn negative ions. Cn negative ions as a behave of as a nucleophile to react with carbocation, then give to CS3Cn plus KCl. What is the name of CS3Cn compounds? Methane, one carbon, meth, single bond N. Cn, suffix of Cn, nitrile. nitrile. Methane nitrile or general name of CH3CN, methane nitrile, 1 and 2 carbon, 8 E 8 सिंगल बॉन्ड के लिए N, एथेन CH3CN मेथ 8 एथेन नाइट्राइल, ओके. नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल C2H5Cl plus KCN. C2H5 ethyl chloride react with potassium cyanide then gives to C2H5. Ethyl chloride react with potassium cyanide gives to C2H5 KCl out, then gives to product of C2H5CN plus KCl. Ethyl cyanide or IPC name of ethyl cyanide meth 8 propane nitrile, okay. Next reaction, fourth reaction, synthesis of alkyl isocyanide. Synthesis of alkyl isocyanide. What is the alkyl isocyanide? What is the structure of alkyl isocyanide? Alkyl isocyanide R isocyanide N C. Alkyl isocyanide RNC. Alkyl isocyanide. What is the IPC name of alkyl isocyanide? Alkane isonitrile. IPC name. General name alkyl isocyanide. IPC name alkane isonitrile. Okay. How to obtain of alkyl isocyanide? Alkyl isocyanide react with alkyl isocyanide RNC. Alkyl isocyanide react with alkyl halide. Alkyl isocyanide react with alkyl halide. It gives alkyl isonitrile RNC, but these reactions are wrong reaction. Alkyl halide react with AgCN. Synthesis of alkyl cyanide. How to obtain of alkyl isocyanide? तो alkyl isocyanide तो AgCN silver cyanide react with alkyl halide. It gives alkyl isocyanide RNC. RX relative to AgCN, AgX plus में AgX and RNC. But how to obtain of RNC? RX alkyl halide, AgCN as a covalent compound. Then nitrogen on 2 lone pair, present of 1 lone pair, 1 2 3 4 5, C triple bond N, 1 2 3 4 and 5, 1 lone pair present on nitrogen. AgCN as a covalent. AgCN is a polar covalent compound. No divided into 2 ions Ag plus Cn negative, but nitrogen on a 1 lone pair present on 1 lone pair. Then nitrogen attack to carbocation. Nitrogen lone pair attack to carbocation. To bonded of alkyl group nitrogen with nitrogen. Alkyl groups bonded with nitrogen atoms R and C. R and C plus AgX. तो RX react with AgCN, then it gives to R and C alkyl and C isocyanide. Alkyl isocyanide. Next example, CH3Cl methyl chloride methyl chloride react with silver cyanide. Methyl chloride react with silver cyanide. It gives AgCl out, CH3Cn negative. AgCn as a covalent is a covalent compounds. Then nitrogen lone pair gives to carbocation. Nitrogen as a nitrogen lone pair as a nucleophile, behave as a nucleophile. So nitrogen attack of carbocation then gives to CH3 and C plus AgCl. CH3NC. What is the general name of CH3NC? Methyl. CH3 means methyl, NC means isocyanide. Methyl isocyanide. Question. What is the reason alkyl halide react with KCN? It gives RCN, but alkyl halide react with AgCN, then gives to RNC. How? Very very important. Alkyl halide react with KCN, it gives to RCN, but alkyl halide react with AgCN, it gives alkyl isocyanide. KCN and AgCN. So solution. KCN is an ionic covalent compound. KCN is an ionic covalent compound. है ली ना के रब से फरियाद. तो पोटेशियम इज ए आयनिक कंपाउंड. लिथियम, सोडियम, पोटेशियम इज ए आयनिक कोवलेंट कंपाउंड्स. तो पोटेशियम के पॉजिटिव फॉर्म में के पॉजिटिव फॉर्म प्लस Cn नेगेटिव आयंस. तो सो इसलिए KCN इज एन आयनिक कोवलेंट कंपाउंड. KCN इज आयनिक compounds then gives to K plus and Cn negative. KCN is an ionic compounds and by ionization process it liberates cyanide ions. Ionization process liberates by cyanides ions, Cn negatives, as a attacking nucleophile Cn negative ions. As a attacking nucleophile Cn negative ions. Carbon atoms is nucleophile center. Carbon atoms Rx Cn negative ions attacking of carbocation ions. As a attacking nucleophile Cn negative ions, carbon atom is nucleophile center, point of attachment. Nucleophile center, point of attachment. Hence gives alkyl cyanide RCN plus X negative and K positive KX. Repeat again. Potassium cyanide is an ionic compounds. By ionization process it liberates by cyanide ions. As a attacking nucleophile cyanide ions, in carbon atom is nucleophile center, point of attachment or nucleophile center. Hence gives to alkyl cyanide. But AgCN AgCN is a polar covalent compound. Polar covalent compound. AgCN is a polar covalent compound and nitrogen atoms has a lone pair. AgCN 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Nitrogen atoms has a lone pair. One lone pair of electrons. Atoms has a lone pair of electrons. Therefore, nitrogen atoms act as a nucleophile center. Nitrogen atoms as a nucleophile center. Nucleophile center or attacking nucleophile. Nitrogen atoms as a nucleophile center or attacking nucleophile and gives off a alkyl isocyanide. So AgCN RX react with KCN as a ionic compounds, then gives to RCN. Cyanide negative ions attacking as a nucleophile ions, and it's give to RCN plus में KX. But RX react with AgCN is a polar covalent compound, then present of a one lone pair in nitrogen. Then nitrogen as a behave of nucleophile, then as a polar covalent compound. AgCN as a polar covalent compound and nitrogen atoms has a lone pair of electron. Therefore, nitrogen atoms act as nucleophile center. Nitrogen atoms as a nucleophile center and gives by alkyl isocyanide RNC plus AgX. Nitrogen present one lone pair on nitrogen, then gives to RNC alkyl isocyanide. Okay, very important. Alkyl halide react with KCN, then it gives to alkyl cyanide. But alkyl halide react with the potassium silver cyanide, it gives to alkyl isocyanide. How to reason? Next section, synthesis of alcohol. Third reaction, synthesis of alcohol. Synthesis of alcohol. Synthesis of alcohol. Alcohol are formed by the reaction of aqueous KOH, aqueous AgCS, silver hydroxide, potassium hydroxide and silver oxide, etc. with alkyl halide. Alkyl halide react with aqueous potassium hydroxide, aqueous KOH, or alkyl halide react with aqueous AgOH and aqueous Ag2OH. It gives alkyl ROH, potassium hydroxide gives to K potassium and OH negative, RX R positive and X negative, K positive X negative, then gives ROH, RX AgOH out, oxygen present of two lone pairs attacking nucleophile ROH plus KX plus AgX. Alkyl halide react with potassium hydroxide, then gives to ROH, aqueous KOH. Important, very important. Aqueous KOH. Alkyl halide react with aqueous KOH, then it gives to alkyl hydroxide, ROH, alkyl alcohol. Example: CH3Cl plus KOH, CH3OH plus KCl. Methyl chloride react with potassium hydroxide, it gives methyl मिथाइल एल्कोहल। मिथिल क्लोराइड react with potassium hydroxide, it gives methyl alcohol. Next example, CH3CH CH3Cl plus KOH, KCl out, CH3CH CH3OH plus KCl. Next example, isopropyl chloride react with potassium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide react with potassium hydroxide, it gives to CH3CH3 isopropyl alcohol. Next example, alcohol react with haloalkane react with potassium hydroxide, KCl out, OH. Chlorocyclohexane gives to cyclohexanol plus KCl. Chlorocyclohexane react with potassium hydroxide, aqueous potassium hydroxide react with aqueous potassium hydroxide, it gives to cyclohexanol plus KCl. Okay. Next reaction, fourth reaction, synthesis of alkyl nitrile. Synthesis of alkyl nitrile. Synthesis of alkyl nitrile. When alkyl halide react with sodium or potassium nitrite, sodium nitrite NO2 or potassium nitrite or sodium nitrite. Alkyl halide react with potassium nitrite or sodium nitrite, gives alkyl nitrite. Example, alkyl halide react with potassium nitrite gives RO and double bond O plus में KX out, KRNO2 RNO2, alkyl nitrite. Potassium nitrite is a covalent ionic compound, then give to alkyl nitrite. Okay. Next example, CH3Cl plus KNO2, methyl chloride react with potassium nitrite, KCl out, then gives CH3O single bond double bond O plus में KCl, methyl nitrite. Next example, next reaction, fifth reaction, synthesis of alkyl synthesis of nitroalkane. Synthesis of nitroalkane. Nitroalkanes are obtained the reaction silver nitrate with alkyl halide. Silver nitrate AgO and double bond O. Silver nitrate react with alkyl halide. Silver nitrate react with alkyl halide. Silver nitrate react with alkyl halide. It gives R and double bond O, dative bond O, or RNO2. NO2 nitro R alkane. Nitroalkane are obtained the reaction of silver nitrate react with alkyl halide. Alkyl halide react with silver nitrate, it gives nitroalkane. AgO and double bond O, silver nitrate as a covalent compound, polar covalent compounds. Potassium nitrate as a ionic compounds. Ionic compounds are divided into two parts and K positive ions and NO2 negative ions. But AgO and double bond O, silver nitrate as a polar covalent compound. Polar covalent compound not divided into two parts. Does not divided into two parts, Ag plus O NO minus. But nitrogen present on one lone pair present on nitrogen, or nitrogen attack A as a nucleophile carbon atoms. On carbon atoms, nitrogen one lone pair present on nitrogen atoms as a behave nucleophile on attack carbon atoms. Then give to R N N O double bond O dative bond O. So answer these questions. Nitroalkane, R and double bond O, nitroalkane. Okay. Next example, CH3Cl plus Ag, CH3Cl plus Ag O and double bond O, silver nitrate, AgNO2 or AgNO2, silver nitrate. CH3Cl, methyl chloride react with silver nitrate. What is the product A? What is the name of product A? So CH3Cl react with AgNO2, it gives to AgCl out. Nitrogen atom attack on carbon. Nitrogen lone pair attack on carbon atom, then give to CH3 and double bond O, or O. NO2 nitro, CH3 methane, nitromethane plus AgCl plus में AgCl. Two example, C2H5Cl react with KNO2. What is the name of product A? C2H5Cl react with AgNO2. What is the product A? C2H5Cl KNO2 compounds as ionic compounds. Ionic compounds are divided into two parts, two ions, K positive ions and NO2 negative ions. Okay. Nitrogen present on lone pair, oxygen present of oxygen, but nitrogen negative charge on oxygen. Negative charge attack on carbon atoms, then gives to C2H5O and double bond O. But AgNO2 as a covalent compound, does not divided into two parts, Ag plus or NO2 minus. But one lone pair present on nitrogen atoms. Nitrogen atoms attack on carbon atoms. Nitrogen atoms as a behave of nucleophile on attack carbon atoms, then gives to C2H5 nitrogen atom attack of carbon on carbon atoms C2H5 and double bond O and dative bond O. C2H5ONO ethyl nitrite. C2H5 single bond and double bond O nitromethane. So C2H5Cl ethyl chloride react with potassium nitrate, then it gives ethyl nitrate, but C2H5 ethyl chloride react with the silver nitrate, then gives nitroethane. Okay, so question, alkyl halide react with AgNO2. Alkyl halide react with AgNO2, then gives nitroalkane, but react with KNO2, but react with KNO2, then gives alkyl nitrite, sorry, RNO2 and O double bond O. Alkyl halide react with AgNO2 silver nitrate, then gives to nitroalkane, but alkyl halide react with potassium nitrite, then gives alkyl nitrite. Why? Okay. Next reaction 6, synthesis of ether. When dry silver oxide react with alkyl halide, it gives ether. Alkyl halide react with dry silver oxide Ag2O react with Ag2O, it gives ether, ROR, ether. Example, CH3Cl plus Ag2O, A, G, O and Ag, Ag2O, Ag and Ag, Ag2O, AgCl out, CH3OAg, but 2 moles of alkyl halide use in reaction, 2 moles of alkyl halide, तो CH3Cl ये Ag बच गया, तो इसलिए 2 moles of alkyl halide, use of 2 moles of alkyl halide in reactant. CH3Cl react with silver oxide AgOAg plus RX CH3Cl, CH3, 2 mole of CH3Cl and CH3Cl out of AgCl in reactant, AgCl out, remaining of CH3O, CH3, then product CH3O, CH3, CH3O and CH3, CH3O, CH3 plus 2 mole of AgCl and AgCl, 2 mole of AgCl. Next example, C2H5Cl react with Ag2O. What is the product A? C2H5Cl 2 silver, इसलिए 2 moles of use in reactant, 2 moles of C2H5Cl. 2 C2H5Cl react with Ag2O silver oxide. So explain. C2H5, answer these questions. C2H5Cl plus Ag2O AgOAg plus 1 mole of C2H5Cl and second moles Cl C2H5. It gives to out AgCl remains C2H5 O and C2H5 plus AgCl and AgCl 2 mole of AgCl. What is the name of C2H5 O C2H5? Ether. But IPC name of ether alkyl alkanoate alkoxy alkane. What is the IPC name of C2H5 O C2H5? alkoxy alkane. Ethoxy ethane. Methoxy methane. Simple name of dimethyl ether. Simple name of this compound CH3O CH3 dimethyl ether. Simple name of C2H5 O C2H5 diethyl ether. Note: Williamson ether synthesis. In sodium alkoxide, sodium NaOR, sodium alkoxide. What is the name of NaOR? Sodium alkyl group, R group, alkyl, R means alkyl or O oxide. Sodium alkoxide react with alkyl halide. It gives ether. And it is known as Williamson ether synthesis. Sodium alkoxide react with alkyl halide, then gives to ether. It is known as Williamson ether synthesis. It is name of ether. This reaction is named Williamson ether synthesis. Sodium alkoxide react with alkyl halide. It gives ether, and it is known as Williamson ether synthesis. So example: R means alkyl group, C2H5Cl. Ethyl chloride react with sodium alkoxide. R means C2H5OR CH3. So C2H5. What is the name of NaOC2H5? Na means sodium. R means alkyl means C2H5 ethyl. Sodium ethyl oxide. So sodium ethoxide. Methyl chloride react with sodium. Methyl chloride react with sodium ethoxide. Sodium ethoxide then gives NaCl out, Na positive, O C2H5 negative, C2H5 positive and Cn negative. NaCl out, it gives product C2H5 O, C2H5 positive, O negative, O C2H5, C2H5 positive, O negative, so C2H5 O C2H5 plus Na positive and Cn negative, NaCl. C2H5 O C2H5 diethyl ether or ethoxy ethane. IPC name of diethyl ether ethoxy ethane. Okay. Next reaction, synthesis of alkane thiol. Synthesis of synthesis of alkane thiol. Alkyl halide react with sodium hydroxide, no, sodium thioalcohol. Alkyl halide react with sodium thioalcohol. Alkyl halide react with sodium thioalcohol, then gives to NaX out ROH. It gives alkyl halide synthesis of alkane thioalcohol, alkane thiol. तो alkyl halide react with sodium thioalcohol, synthesis of alkane thiol. Alkyl halide react with NaSH, sodium thioalcohol, then gives to NaRSH, alkyl thioalcohol, alkane thiol, or alkyl thioalcohol. Alkyl halide react with sodium thioalcohol, then gives to alkane thiol. Next section 8, synthesis of ester